Hey there, friends. Welcome back to Bountiful Homestead. Today, we're delving into an essential part of our journey, raising Cornish cross chickens for meat. It's been an enlightening adventure that's deeply connected us to the principles of sustainable living and the ethics of food production. Choosing Cornish cross chickens for our homestead wasn't just a practical decision. It was a reflection of our commitment to living in harmony with our values. These chickens, with their rapid growth and remarkable efficiency, have enabled us to produce our own meat sustainably, respecting both the environment and the creatures that inhabit it. Raising these birds goes beyond simple feeding routines. It's about catering to their specific needs from chick to maturity, starting with a nutrient-rich diet and transitioning to a balanced grower feed, ensuring they have ample water and space. This attentive care helps prevent health issues and promotes a life of well-being for our flock. The challenges we've encountered, from nutritional balance to health management, have all been part of the learning curve, each teaching us valuable lessons about nature's balance and the responsibilities of ethical husbandry. Approaching the butchering phase, we prepared with the utmost respect and humanity, reminding ourselves of the gravity of our role as stewards of these animals' lives. This journey has enriched us, providing sustenance while deepening our bond with the land and the food it yields. Raising Cornish cross chickens has impacted our approach to homesteading, emphasizing the importance of mindful food choices and the pursuit of sustainability. For those eager to learn more about this journey, I've detailed our experience, challenges, successes, and insights on our website. I left a link in the description for you. Thanks for tuning in. Whether you're already deep into your homesteading journey or just starting to ponder where your food comes from, I hope our story inspires you towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tales from Bountiful Homestead. Until next time, take care and continue to grow.